Welcome back to Limitless, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this episode 10 of the Willys Jeep build. If you guys don't know, I am, for some reason, building a Willys Jeep from scratch. Every single part is going to be custom. It has a Hayabusa motor in it, turbocharged, 400 horsepower, fully built, rods, pistons, heavy duty output shaft, pushrod suspension, absolutely everything custom on it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the build series, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and of course the little bell for notifications so you guys can find out first when these videos pop up. So if you guys stay to the end of the video, I'll do a quick little show and tell of some of the parts that I've got in. Obviously we still have tons of work to do, so you'll be seeing the parts as they go in as well. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so as I was editing the footage, I was at like 45-minute long video. Apparently I did a lot of work this last week here. So I finished up the suspension mounts, or the cantilever part, push rod on that side. I got my micro torch in and finished inside welding in there. I also welded the inside of each of those pipe for the exhaust. Obviously got the turbo mounted as well. I had to re-angle that. It was high on this side. I got my dump valve in. I will be putting a flex pipe in there. I'm just waiting on the parts for that. Did the exhaust. So that's a 3-inch stainless. Still got to be cleaned right up, but down to a V-band, flex joint down there. And that's where I'll have a muffler and hopefully end up with enough room to squeeze through this way. Ideal situation, it would actually come out back through the back panel. You know, something really nice and clean looking. So I'll show you a few clips of the micro torch welding portion. But all in all, I think the turbo is going to look pretty good right there. Well, first time trying out the micro torch. And we'll see how it goes here. Hopefully I can get this finished. So I did what I could with the 90. Now I put on the straight end. And let's see if I can get pretty much everything in there is welded already. Just want to try and clean up a little bit of it, smooth some stuff out. So next up, I'm going to try and weld the inside of each of these just so it smooths them out a little bit. And I got that micro torch, I might as well use it. And so after that, I cut out some more tubing for the rear suspension mounts. I had to lower that in order to get the proper angle on my lower control arm to give me my instant center and anti-squat in the rear end. So I've got all my tabs cut now. So this next episode I'll be doing the rear suspension, or the rear control arms anyways. I'm still waiting to hear back from some drive shaft shops, trying to find the best solution for where to mount that. Yeah, like I said, the video was getting pretty long, so if there's something specific you guys want to see, please hit me up in the comments. I'll easily just throw something up for a video for you guys. If it's, you know, fitting up some exhaust or something like that, just let me know. Alright, well, thank you very much for checking out the video, and I'll see you next week. So here's just a little sneak peek of some of the goodies I've got. Do a little show and tell here. Injector Dynamics 1050X injectors. We got AEM wideband system. Got Mega Squirt. Nice billet fuel rail. That was the turbo box. Got rods. Whole bunch of connectors. Turbo blanket. Got some exhaust wrap, some stainless holders for the exhaust wrap. Got some pistons. $50 mil blow-off valve. And I still have a fuel surge tank as well as a 044 style pump, I believe it is. These are those intake clamps I was telling you about. So would be really nice to use them on both sides so I don't have any hoses. First set of main bolts for the engine. And I got a whole nother bin of just engine parts too.